closer to the end of the semester, but everybody knows as you draw closer to the end, you draw closer to stress. So you know, I just have to be prayed up, y'all. But that's a different story. I'm gonna go ahead and get right into the video. If you guys would like to know what I've been loving this past month, please keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. There's a quote. It says, "This palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers. XO Jaclyn." I've been watching her for years, but this is the palette. Today on my lid, there's a purple shade, sort of like right here in the corner here, and the blue shade right beside it is what I have all over my lid today. Sorry if I'm blinding you guys with the white, but I wanted you guys to see what I've been using. So I've really been liking that color. I went to a Mardi Gras ball. I'm from Mobile, Alabama. So I went to a Mardi Gras ball, and when I went, I ended up using this purple shade, and it was very, very pretty. Very, very pretty. I really, really liked it. The color payoff is really good. So that is that. And I'm not going in any particular order, you guys. I'm just going in the order that I'm pulling it out of my favorites box. I got a little box, you know, with my favorites in it. So the next thing I have actually is a hair product, and this is the Miele Gogo oil hydrating conditioner. And it is, what drew me to this product was the fact that it was protein free, because I went through this spell where my hair was kind of snapping a little bit, and not really while it was wet, but it was kind of when it dried. I noticed that it was snapping and it was breaking a little bit more than usual when I was brushing through it or when I was combing through it. So I was like, well, maybe there is a such thing, because shortly after I, you know, noticed that about my hair, I don't remember if I watched the video or if I was on Instagram and I read a post that you can actually, you know, put too much protein in your hair. So I was like, well, maybe that's what I've been doing, because I was using the Shea Moisture conditioner. It's the what is it called, the 10-in-1, the biotin one with the magenta packaging. That's my favorite conditioner, but that's all I was using. I was using it every 2 weeks for, you know, months, and I wasn't really, I feel like my hair was still, you know, it's my favorite, so obviously it provided the slip that I liked, but I feel like I was kind of overdoing it. And once I went in with this Miele conditioner, it's so hydrating. I noticed when my hair was dry, and especially, you know, when my hair was wet, it was not only easier for me to detangle my hair, but it was also easier for me to, I wasn't getting any breakage. I got probably a third of the breakage that I was getting when I was using too much protein on my hair. So the next thing I have here is the Miele Organics Mint Almond Oil. This is healthy hair and scalp, and it's all natural, of course. This is actually really, really good. While my hair was going through that dry spell, I was actually using this a lot on my hair these past few months, and especially this month as well, because of course I have locks installed now. So this has really been helping. And also when my hair was going through that dry spell, and I live in Florida, so you would think that my hair was reacting to the, you know, cold weather as if I was in like New York with a fur on. You know, it wasn't that deep. Like, the weather really wasn't that deep, so I don't really understand why my hair was reacting, but it did. And maybe it was the protein, you know, I'm not really sure. But this has really been a lifesaver. And you know, the first few weeks when you have, you know, braids or any type of locks, not only do you want to keep your hair moisturized, but you also want to make sure that, you know, you're keeping your scalp oil, because it can get dry and it can get itchy. So that's why I liked that again. The next thing I have is a shampoo and conditioner that I've been using a lot. I actually got this from CVS when it was like 75% off, and I ended up paying like $3 and some change for the bottle, so it was bomb. But this is the Carol's Daughter Almond Milk Restoring Conditioner and the sulfate free shampoo, which I again needed. So I definitely picked this up and discovered this and paid attention to the ingredients once I realized I was maybe overdoing it with the protein. So this has been really good when especially the shampoo. The shampoo is really what drew me to, you know, me using it more often, because when I was using it, I was getting a lot of slip. When I got ready to go into my conditioner, I realized, I really don't have to use a conditioner. I'm gonna use one because I know the weather is a little more, you know, it's cooler outside. So I was like, maybe I should, you know, condition, but I didn't need to. because when I'm washing my hair and I'm matriculating through my regimen, I want to make sure that I'm getting moisture in each step of my regimen. Otherwise, if I start off with dry hair, I'm really defeating the purpose if I'm drying my hair out further with the shampoo or whatever products I'm using. So this was really, really good. This really shocked me and surprised me. I've been wanting to try it for a while, but I'm definitely glad that I did. The next product I have here is actually a newer product that I discovered towards the latter of the month of February, but this is the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate, and I've been wanting to try this for a minute. I really was, now that not only am I getting older, but I know that I started to really care about what I was putting on my skin and how it could help, you know, as I age, of course, because I'm not, you know, a spring chicken no more, honey. I'm getting on up there. Was born 30, but I'm still, you know, I'm not 30 yet, of course, literally, but you know, I was just born a little older than everybody else. I got an old soul, honey, so I needed a product that was going to get my skin together and keep her intact for a moment. So I got the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate, and it's been really, really good. I noticed that when I put it on, it really penetrated my skin. It didn't just stay on top of my skin and just clog my, you know, pores and stuff. It was actually getting in there. You know, I really, really liked it when I would wake up. When I wake up, you know, my skin is brighter, it's more supple, it's not as dry and dull and dead looking. Because you know, sometimes when I wake up after I only sleep for a few hours a night because I need something that's gonna help me, you know, help pull me together in the morning when I get ready for class, so I don't scare nobody, honey. So this was really, really good. And again, this is the Kiehl's Midnight Concentrate Serum Oil. The next thing I have here is the Anastacio Beverly Hills Dipbrow in the color Ebony. I've been wanting to try this for a minute, but for some reason I just didn't try it. I really don't know why, but I just didn't. I think it was more of a fear type thing. Like I had to overcome the fear of, you know, graduating from my pencil to a creamier products, because I didn't know how much control I would have over the product. So I was like, I don't know about that. But I am so glad that I tried it because I love it. I like that you don't need, as you can see, you don't need a lot of product to get the results that you want. Now I am still practicing with it. You know, I'm not a makeup guru at all. These are just things that I've tried that I've liked, you know, along the process of me practicing. My goal to get to, you know, Ambreezy status, honey, because I like Ambreezy. I know y'all be on her Instagram looking at her makeup deets and stuff too, girl. Don't be acting like you just ain't out here trying to learn. You real and you natural and stuff, and you want to stay natural and you like, you know, the natural look, honey. But that beat on point. You got to get into it, okay? The next product I have here is the Jackie Aina by Artist Couture collaboration. This is her highlighter in the color LeBron's. Jackie. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. I love her. But this is it. This is the product. I unscrew the top because normally when I'm using this product and I'm grabbing my fan brush, I don't just dip right into the product. You only need the smallest amount to get the results. I actually have it on today. But I just dip my brush into the top and it is amazing. Like, I love it. It's brown girl friendly. It's so pretty. This will last forever because, like I said, if you just dip into the top every time you're using it and you're not actually dipping into the product, imagine how long it's gonna last you. I'm so clumsy, y'all. I was doing real good. And my last and final product that I have to show you guys was actually featured in my fall and winter lipstick swatch video. And this is the Fenty Beauty. This is the Mademoiselle collection, and this is the color Single. It's like a peachy nude. I actually have this on today, but it's like a peachy nude, and I always pair it with a night mauve color, you know, type lip liner, and it creates the most beautiful shade. And the next thing I have here is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, and this is in the color, I don't remember, and I can't, Fenty Glow. And this is so pretty. I love this over my nude lipsticks or even on its own. It smells like that Smackers chapstick that you had to try to beg your mama to get every time you went to Walmart, girl. But this is what it smells so good. It smells so fruity. It just brings back my childhood. But yeah, I've really been liking this. It's moisturizing too. Like, it's not just a lip gloss that, because some lip glosses to me, I don't know if my lips are sensitive, but sometimes, I'm tired, girl. Sometimes it makes my lips, you know, peel a little bit and it kind of dries them out, my glosses. I don't know what it is. It's almost like my lips react to it as if it's a matte lipstick regarding the dryness. I don't know what it is. But this does not make my lips feel dry at all. It's so moisturizing, and it's just, it's the gloss that you need. If you need a gloss and you need to get yourself together real quick, girl, this is what you need to use. And I also have Freckle Fiesta in the Mademoiselle shades. I want to try Midnight Wasabi because I love green and blue lipsticks. So I might get that. I don't know yet. But that is everything that I have to show you guys. Oh, I also have apple juice. I don't have the bottle with me, but I love apple juice. I've been drinking it for a while now, and I've really been going in with it lately. I don't know what it is. Now, I do still drink, you know, for all the fitness people, I do still drink, you know, plenty of water. The proportion as far as, you know, apple juice to the water is the water still, you know, I'm still consuming enough water, girl. I just like a little juice. You know, you get tired of not tasting nothing when you drink something. So I had to get a little apple juice, okay? Leave me alone, okay? Don't come. But that is everything that I have to show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe if you're going to try any of these products, or if you've been wanting to try them. If you've already tried them, let me know how you guys felt about them. Let me know how they worked for you if you're deciding to try them after watching this video. And I will see you guys in the next video.